Hi, how
Hi,
are you?
I'm great, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine.
Great. What's your name?
So I'm Sultan Ahmed Khan.
Oh, well, it's nice to meet you. I'm Samantha. I'm from South Africa, so quite far. Yeah,
Nice to meet you too.
thank you. It's really cold here at the moment. It's quite uncomfortable.
So you are also an English teacher,
I
or
am, yes, I studied English in university and then I studied a TEFL diploma and TESOL. So I teach English, but mostly on Cambly, so not in a classroom.
okay, okay. So yes, please.
So you said on Cambly you're practicing your fluency and pronunciation. So you just do conversation skills. Is that right?
Yes,
Okay, great. How long have you been on Cambly?
it has been 1.5 months.
1.5 months. Ah, so not too long, but that's nice. Are you enjoying it so far? Does it help you?
Yes, exactly, because this is the platform where we can communicate with the native speakers. Because in normal life, we do not have this opportunity to communicate or interact with native speakers.
That's true. This is quite a good platform for that. Nice. I've been here for 4 years, so quite a long time.
It's a
Yeah,
long,
it is. It,
okay.
it is quite long. It's a lot of fun.
You have a lot of experience.
I hope so. I've got a lot of kid students at the moment, but yeah, when I started Cambly, I did mostly adults, so quite a bit of experience.
Okay,
Yeah. So,
that's good.
so I'm curious, now that you're in Saudi Arabia, what do you miss most about Pakistan?
First of all, obviously the family, because I don't have my family with me over here, so I miss my family. And one thing is that it feels like home, because there are some similarities in both countries. The most important thing is that both countries have the same religion, and this country for Muslims is more sacred, because here we have some places which are very respectful places for us, especially Muslims, because we come over here to perform Umrah or Hajj. Second thing is that it is more peaceful, more tranquil,
Mm-hmm.
and there is no horrible traffic like we used to have in our country. And the
Wow.
environment is good. Yes, neat and clean. Everything is fine. I'm just missing my family, and that's all.
I can imagine. Yeah, it is quite hard being so far away from them. So, where do you live in Saudi Arabia? Do you live in Riyadh or Jeddah?
I live in Hubei, which is just next to Dammam.
Ah, okay,
Uh,
so sort of in the east, right? Yes.
yes,
Ah, that's nice. Have you ever been to Makkah since you've arrived in?
yes, exactly. I went over there only after 1 month. I came in Saudi Arabia.
Ah,
So I performed Umrah. I also visited Medina.
wow, that must have been really interesting and quite fascinating. So, did you enjoy Ramadan? I think Ramadan was last month, right?
Yes, yes, I enjoyed it. But in this Ramadan, I had to do things by myself. Previously, my family used to do it, because in Ramadan we had to cook a lot. So it was good experience.
Very different this year, I think. I know a lot of people who are saying that Ramadan this year was very different from what you're used to because you can't really go out at the moment. So it's a bit frustrating.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Wow. So what did you do for during Eid? Did you?
Uh, During Eid, we remained at home,
Mhm.
and we again tried to cook something special, something new, and then we communicate with our relatives, family members, friends. We wish them, and we watched movies. That is how we spent our
Ah.
time.
So are you pretty good at cooking, or is it not something you enjoy doing?
Um, I'm not very good at it, but I have been trying to cook since I came here, and but my roommates call me Master Chef. I
Really?
don't know why.
A
Yes.
master chef. That's interesting. So if you do have to cook, do you normally cook food that's kind of like Saudi Arabian food, or do you cook food from
Uh,
Pakistan?
we prefer to cook our country food, our
Uh-huh.
country cuisine,
That's nice.
and I usually watch the videos on YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
and then I go into the kitchen and I start cooking it.
Wow. Oh, that sounds so
I
nice.
also I also make notes first. After watching the videos, I make notes, and then I go and cook.
So what do you find the most difficult parts of cooking? I'm kind of curious.
The most difficult part is, or you can say the hardest part is to cut onions.
Really? Yes, I totally agree. It's really difficult, and then you like start to cry. Oh no, that's very
Exactly,
frustrating. So,
exactly.
so you said that you teach. You're an English teacher. Are you teaching using Zoom at the moment, or are you going to school to
No,
teach?
because we have our summer vacations, so
Really?
we do not have to teach at all right now.
Ah,
But about 1 month, 1.5 months ago, I was taking online classes.
okay. So, are the schooling systems different in Saudi Arabia to the schooling system in Pakistan?
Yes, there is a little bit difference,
Hmm.
but not that much.
Okay. So in Saudi Arabia, I know that they speak mostly Arabic. In Pakistan, what language do you speak?
In Pakistan, we speak Urdu. It is our national language, Urdu,
Okay.
and it is a combination of so many languages like Turkish, Persian, Arabic. So we have words even British English.
Wow. So can you speak Arabic? I'm curious.
I am trying to learn it,
Wow.
but I cannot speak it. Yes,
Uh, yeah, it's difficult to learn a new language.
exactly.
Wow.
And Arabic is usually considered to be very difficult language to learn.
Yeah, and I also heard that Arabic has like there's the Arabic that people speak nowadays, but there's also the old Arabic from like the Quran.
Exactly.
So, what's your favorite thing to teach in English? Do you like the literature or the grammar, pronunciation?
Grammar.
Grammar.
I
Me
like.
too. Grammar is a lot of fun. What's your favorite
Yes.
grammar to teach?
Most of the topics I like, but active, passive,
That is
and
nice.
tenses.
Tenses are nice. They're quite difficult to teach. I don't know if you agree, but like there's so many tenses and trying to explain the different uses is quite tricky.
Yes,
Confusing.
yes. The main thing is that we should concentrate on the usage.
Hmm.
Usage is more important.
Yeah. So in in your schooling system, I've heard this a lot from a lot of people. They say that there's a lot of focus on grammar, but not so much on speaking. Is that the case in your country as well?
Exactly. And even the teachers used to pronounce some words incorrectly.
Really?
And that is the reason we adopted all those words and we started using them in the same manner. But when we learned about it, then we came to know that we were using it incorrectly.
Oh, that's gotta be frustrating. Because then you gotta relearn that. Oh my goodness, that would be quite hard.
Exactly.
Oh dear, my next class just started calling. It was so nice to meet you, though. Thank you so much.
Same here. Same
I
here.
hope you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.